Welcome to another Form Titan widget video, and in this video I'll show you how to create a view in Widget Builder. So what a view is, you can set up multiple views and you can have multiple widgets within that view. You can have forms, you can have everything. Let me just show you. Let's go ahead and create something fun here. So I'll tell you what, we'll create a form. We'll say create contact, and we'll add a couple of fields here, and I'll show you how to add both of these in there. So we'll add first name, we'll add last name, we'll add email, and that's about it really. So for push, we'll just say create. So that's been created. Okay, so I'll save this. This is good to go. Now I'm just going to clone this, and then we'll call this one create account, like this. And in cloning, but I'm just going to change the configurations here. Instead, I'm just going to choose account, and the fields are going to be account name, account type, and then account number, like this. Whoops, not employees, numbers. Let's find number. There we go. Okay, once the field has been added, I'm going to obviously set this to create, save. Right, that's good to go. So now we have two widgets that we created, contact and account. Now this is the best part here. So if you have a look here, so let's say the widget name is going to be create contact and account. Okay, what you can do is you can create a view like this, and you can set up rows and columns. So for example, I'll say I want one row and two columns. Alright, so let's create. Now you can see it's created it. So basically what this means is this is a grid. If I click this, this is the grid row, and these are the grid columns, each of them. Okay. Now you can modify these if you want as well directly, but here's the best part. Let's say I click into this, I right click, add, and then I want to add a widget. Okay, now I can choose my existing widgets, like create contact, and then insert it in there, like this. Now in here, I can do widget, and then insert my widget. Create account goes in here. So I've got now two side by side. Now I can even insert a new one, a new grid column if I want. Super cool functionality here. So let's say we'll do another grid row, for example. And like this. So once it's been created, let me show you how this works. Look at that. Now you've got two things side by side that you can create and push to Salesforce. Okay, very cool functionality. And from here on, you can do whatever you want. Let's say I delete this, and then I go ahead and add. Let's do row after, and then let's go ahead and split these cells. Yeah, let's split them. And then in here, what I want to do is I want to go to widget, and I can even insert a chart or a report like this. Let's do a table actually. Table report. Let's create, and I'm just going to say report from Salesforce like this. And then here it's inserted the report. So if I now save, and then I just go ahead and refresh this, you can see, look at that, there's my report from Salesforce. So you can have so much stuff here. You can build as many widgets within the view, and that's how you set up the view. So remember, like the first is the grid, then the grid columns, and then the rows. Grid rows and the grid columns. And this is how you do it.